So, unusual athletics. And made Allen in. That's it. That's it. That's getting weird. So today I was supposed to do legs, and I'm not. Well, usually I'm not. But last night I practiced a little bit of football, a little bit of full contact football with the Ramat Sharon Thunders. And what happened is I injured my rotator cuff. So there will be no shoulder movement for me today, only recovery. Only recovery stuff. And yeah, that's it. It's going to be a little bit boring. Nary's going to do his usual practice. He's already setting up for the bench press. Just a quick warm-up session. There's a little something I like to do to pump people up when I work out with them. And down we go. Naty? Naty! Is that you? How many reps? Guess we'll never know. Oh, that's too much. Any thoughts?
Huh? You know, payback is a serve cold. How does that feel, huh? Huh? I'm staying back, so he can't chase me. No, you can't. You're fat. Yeah, I think I should. Big guy with small dumbbells.
Big guy with a bad routine. This video is going to contain a little gesture for Naty, and for that we need his face printed in black and white. And yeah, we tried our best. We did everything we could. Oh, I'm sorry. This is Naty in black and white. Naty.
Yep.
How's the practice so far? Nobody cares.
Okay, see nothing? In this video you gotta be in the side and not at the middle of the video. Franco,
Yeah.
you see?
Look at here.
When it's
Look
walk.
here.
You
Yeah.
see Franco?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing. That's you.
Naty,
Nothing.
is everything?
Nothing.
Are you good? Can you see it?
Man, you gotta start talking.
Yo, boys, how was the session? You good?
Naty? Wait a minute. If that's you, then who is this?